tan, well-tended skin. Look at the killer shape he's in. Look at that slightly stubbly chin. Oh, please, he's gay, totally gay.
I'm not about to celebrate. Every trait could indicate a totally straight expatriate. This guy's not gay, I say not gay. That is the elephant in the room. Well, is it relevant to assume that a man who wears perfume is automatically radically gay?
Look at his coiffed and crispy locks.
Look at his silk translucent socks.
There's the eternal paradox. Look what we're seeing.
What are we seeing?
Is he gay or European?
Gay or European? It's hard to guarantee. Is he gay or European?
Well, hey, don't look at me.
You see, they bring their boys up different in those charming foreign ports. They play peculiar sports in shiny shirts and tiny shorts. Gay or foreign fella? The answer could take leaps. They both say things like ciao bella while they kiss you on both cheeks.
Oh, please, gay
or European? So many shades of gray.
Depending on the time of day, the French go either way.
Is she gay or European?
Or there, right there. Look at that condescending smirk. Seen it on every guy at work. That is all hetero jack. That guy's not gay, I've seen a way.
That is the elephant in the room. Well, is it relevant to presume that a body in that costume
It's automatically, radically,
Ironically, chronically
gay, officially gay, socially gay, 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 gay. Damn it! Gay or European?
so stylish and relaxed.
Is he gay or European?
I think his chest is waxed.
But they bring their boys up different there. It's culturally diverse. It's not a fashion curse if he wears a kilt or bears a purse. They are just exotic. I still can't crack the code. Yeah, his accent is hypnotic, but his shoes are pointy-toed. Huh? Gay or European? So many shades of gray.
But if he turns out straight, I'm free at 8 on Saturday.
Is he gay or European? Gay or European? Gay or European?
Wait a minute. Give me a chance to crack this guy. I have an idea I'd like to try.
The floor is yours.
So, Mr. Archie Tacos, this alleged affair with Ms. Wyndham has been going on for
2 years.
And your first name again is?
Nikos.
And your boyfriend's name is?
Carlos. I'm sorry, I misunderstand. You say boyfriend. I thought you say best friend. Carlos is my best friend.
You bastard! You lying bastard! That is it! I don't cover for you no more, peoples! I have a big announcement! This man is gay and European! And I thought this is case. You gotta stop your being a completely closet case! It's me not her, he's seeing, no matter what he say. I swear he never, ever, ever swing the other way. You are so gay, you big parfait, you play me one bag of money. You were not yesterday. So if I may, I'm proud to say